All right, Swill gang. So we are going to go with the Fold 6 and the Fold 7 comparison. Now, this is a lot of things that I wish that a lot of people that were creating content for this phone, when they were doing like their things, I wish they would compare like different sizes, because different sizes for me, it actually matters. Like with the width of the phone, the length of the phone, when when it's closed, and as well when it's open. Okay, this is what I definitely wanted to see, and definitely with the because I have the Fold 6, Fold 7, and then also have the S25 Ultra. I want to see the difference comparisons on those. But if you look at this, look at the Fold 6. It's much thicker than the Fold 7. They really slimmed this phone down tremendously. Like, come on, guys, stop playing with me, son. This is a very thin phone. I love it. They really did their thing. Good job, Samsung. It's much wider. That's what I wanted, the outdoor screen to be much wider, but I kind of wish they would have kept the S Pen. That's the only problem that I see with the phone here. And this is when everything is unfolded. You can tell it's much bigger, and there's no crease. You barely tell the crease, guys. Honestly, barely tell the crease. I've been using this phone for over a week now. Over a week. Like about 2 weeks now. It just took a long time for me to get this video out. I've been slacking on this video. But look at that. It's a much wider. They can. All right, so laying down like this, they're pretty identical. Can't really tell the difference, but this is the Fold 7 right here. And this is the S25 Ultra. So the Fold 7 is a little bit taller there. You guys can see that a little bit right there. It's a little taller. And then we're going to put this thing's wideness. This is what makes a big difference for me. This is why I was like, do I want to get this or not? And I got to still look and see which one's which. All right, so the S25 Ultra is still a little bit wider, but not much. Okay. And the reason why I needed to be a little wider on the Fold 7, and the reason why I stopped using the Fold 6 as the main driver, is because whenever I do like screen recording, I screen record games on another channel, and the resolution just looks like, it's not bad. It's just like you get the black boxes and things like that. And when you open it up, you get the black boxes on the sides, and it's horrible. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the S25 Ultra, which I still love it, man. It's a fantastic phone. I love my S25 Ultra. I'm not going to get rid of it for the world. All right, so Fold 7 is so thin, man. I don't think I can hold it to show you guys the thinness here. We'll try. Look how thin that is, man. The Fold 7 is just a little bit thinner than the S25 Ultra. They made this thing so thin. Now, the thing that I really don't like that they did was they took away the S Pen capability, which makes like 0 sense. I know they had to do that to get, take the sensors out to do what they had to do to make it thinner. I understand that, but daggone, man, it's like all these features. When we get these new phones, we lose features. S25 Ultra, we lost the swipe thing. If you want to use like the little wand and swipe the stuff, we lost features with that. So I still went ahead and got it because we had the S22 Ultra before that, but it took away features, man. I don't get it. I mean, the S Pen is cool to have, but I don't want to lose the features when it does have it, It's not a feature that I use all the time, but to know that I do have it, I can use it and it's cool. But that's why I wanted to go ahead and show you guys.